It's officially the day before we go on our first camping trip. So it's Keoshia, and it's officially the day before we go on our first camping trip. I think the children are more excited than me. So I'm gonna kind of give you a quick little haul on everything that I bought for the camping trip. So in the previous video I showed you guys the starting, the why I was doing it or whatever, and then the final outcome. So this is I guess part 2 of the camping series, where we actually go fucking camping and see how we like it. So I'm just gonna start with everything I got. Pretty much everything laid out and kind of give you guys an overview of what we're gonna do. And of course you'll see the rest of the video will be the actual it'll be a 3-day 2-night camping trip. Basically we're going to the DeSoto Caverns in Fort Payne, Alabama. And yeah, so that's what it is. So let me just give you kind of like what we're bringing, and I'll let you know what we already had and what we already bought and all that kind of thing. And anything that I can find I will link down below. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you'll see is board games. We love board games, and it was really funny because my daughter actually reminded me that we love board games. She's like, oh, we should bring board games. So these are the board games we're bringing right here, and some card games. And then I bought this pot right here from Bargain Hunt. It was $16.99. Not too bad. It might not even actually cost $16.99. Sometimes the price on here ain't the price it is. And then I bought this little skillet from the thrift store for 99 cents. So this is like to cook our breakfast and stuff. And then of course we don't like to get bit up by mosquitoes, so I bought a 2-pack of the deep wood off, since we are going camping in a state park which is in the woods. The next thing I got were these 3 little lanterns that run off AA batteries. They were $10 a piece from Bargain Hunt, and what I like about them is, let's see if I can do this with one hand. When you lift it up, the light comes on, and the more you lift it, the brighter it gets. So basically you can lift it all the way out, and so it puts out a pretty good amount of light. You can hang it like this. It has a magnet, so you can attach it like to your car or something. And it also has a hook, so it has several different ways that you can hang this light, which I am loving. Okay, now this little hat I bought some years ago and I never used it. I'm not supposed to be in the sun because I have an autoimmune disease and I take medicine that they tell you not to be in the sun. So I had this for a while, but I'm gonna take it with me since it's gonna be hot this weekend. And then the next thing I have is these collapsible cups. I have 4 of those, and I have 4 plates, and they came in this little kit set for $6. So you get 2 cups, 2 plates, and 2 knives, 2 spoons, and 2 forks, plus this mesh thing. I bought 2 sets, so I have 4 of everything versus 2 of everything. Then I bought this tablecloth because they do have a picnic table out there, and I didn't even read it. It costs $5. It says it's the elongated circle version versus the actual square version, so hopefully that'll work out for our lives. If not, we'll make it do what it do. Then I bought us like some disposable kind of like stuff for the shower, so we all got like our travel toothbrush kit. These cost like $1 at Walmart, and it comes with a toothbrush thing, but I'm just gonna tell them to put their stuff back in this little zip pouch, and it comes with actual toothpaste. And then we got our little puffball things, and then I bought each of us an Olay body wash from the dollar travel section. Got my son some Irish Spring. I got him some deodorant. Me and my daughter have deodorant as well. And then we bought Hershey's because of course we're going to do s'mores. And then I bought this little flashlight kit for $9 at Walmart. And basically it has 2 headlamps, 3 flashlights, 1 for each of us. Comes with the batteries and the actual headbands for the headlights. And if we're going to be camping on a regular basis, this is a good addition to our actual set. So 5-piece LED headlamp and flashlight combo. So blue's my favorite color, so the other 2 gonna have to pick between the colors now. I'm the mama. Then the next thing I bought from Bargain Hunt was this toolbox for $10, but I don't have tools in here. So when you open it up, this is going to be like our food pantry. So basically when you open it up, let me turn it so you guys can see. I have the little silverware that came with this little set right here. So it's the silverware. So I got 4 sets of those. I got like some wooden spatulas and stuff for cooking. I got some garbage bags. I got some Ziploc bags. And what I like about this, since it's a toolbox, this lifts out and there's stuff under there. So under there I have extra AA batteries, AAA batteries, more AA batteries, and then I bought some D batteries for our fan. I put that extra mesh bag because I just combined these, so I have the extra mesh bag for whatever I need it for. We have some baked beans because we're gonna bake beans one night. I got a little first aid kit in here. I have my hand sanitizer, 3 bottles, 1 for each of us. I have my crackers for s'mores. We're gonna have spaghetti tomorrow night for dinner, so I got 2 things of spaghetti right there. Then I bought like our little cooking spray. This is the actual box of spaghetti. And then I bought some of these like little Nature Valley snack bars in the case they just get hungry. And then I have like some tuna, some stuff you just don't have to cook, and have some salt and seasoned salt and pepper. So that's what I have in here for now. I don't know if I'm gonna fit anything else in here, but for right now, that's all I could get in here comfortably. I actually need to remember to get a can opener for these beans because I don't have one, and I didn't think to find the one with the pull top because I have an electric can opener. So we're gonna figure out how to get that open. And I forgot I gotta put these batteries in a certain way for it to fit. So that's kind of like our little dry food pantry situation. So yeah, so that was $10. I'm not gonna worry about closing it up. So then next, for the actual, I showed you guys in the last video, I bought those little foam mattress things to go to sleep on. So I bought a twin mattress cover. I bought 2, 1 for each thing, and then I bought a queen sheet set. So when me and my daughter sitting there, we'll put both of them in the queen sheet set, so it'll make one big bed. And then I bought another one because my son will have a queen air mattress, so we can make that up for him. So burgundy for him and gray for me and my daughter. And then here's the extra D batteries, and I'll show you what I need them for right over here. So this 10 fan 2-speed fan takes 6 D batteries, or you can plug it in, but it didn't come with the plug. You have to buy it separate. And this works really good. I tested it out. It's really high. It has a low, a high, and an off. And so we'll be able to keep cool with these. And then I have my Coleman camp stove under here that I bought. I did test it out yesterday and it works just fine. So I'm super excited about it. So this is what it looks like if you guys wanted to know. And you'll see when we're cooking because I'm going to, of course, be recording. So this is what it looks like. And it can fit a 10-inch and a 12-inch at the same time. So my pots are not that big, so we should be able to cook everything at the same time. What else I want to show you guys? So I bought these bag of chips, an 18 bag of chips, and I'm going to season the chicken wings and put them in a actual Ziploc bag inside of the cooler. So they're already seasoned, they're already thawed out. We'll just throw them on the grill for dinner on Saturday. And then I bought us some Minute Maid fruit punch. I didn't buy any type of soda. I have water and juice. That's it. I don't think soda is good in this heat and out there if we're going to be hiking and stuff, make you even more dehydrated. So I just bought 12. Once they're gone, they're gone. And then for breakfast I have this 6 packs of orange juice, and I have a 6-pack of apple juice. And then of course we're going to take some eggs with us and some bacon as well. So that's what I have in my kitchen area. And now I'm going to show you what I have by the door that I'm going to take with us. And this doesn't include clothes, of course. So I did buy 24 bottles of this water, cost $2.50. So I bought 2 of them. So we're going to take that water with us. We're not going to put them all in the cooler. We're just going to put them at the cooler at a time. And then I have 5 of these little propane things so that I can cook. And then I bought a tarp just in case the rain gets crazy. I don't know. Then I have this heavy duty camp grill, so we'll be able to grill and cook over the fire. And then I have this 3-person dome tent that I bought for my son since we all can't fit in the car. And so it says it fits 1 queen air mattress, so that's exactly what I bought for him. So we have that. And excuse my stuff, like I said, I'm always building and working on something. So here's the queen air mattress. I got the 10-inch height, built-in air pump and all that kind of stuff, so I don't have to be bothered. And then here's the other 2 fans, and I'm gonna take them out the box and put the batteries in them. We're not gonna carry the box. And then this is the other foam, what do you call it, the other foam mattress thing that I'm gonna use to make that bed a queen size bed in my camper. It's probably really a full size, but whatever. So this is the other foam thing. The little twin size one don't really fit on there really well. It's really, really big, but I'll probably figure out how to fold it over. I just want to protect the foam for now. And then of course I have my Reflectix, and then I have my indoor, what's left of my indoor outdoor rug. I'm just going to use it in case it rains. We can use this to wipe our feet and stuff, so I'm going to take this last little remnant with me. And that's basically my haul for the camping trip. So I'm going to go ahead and do what I need to do, pack up as much in the car I can pack up tonight that we don't need, and we'll pack the cooler tomorrow because I'm not going to buy the ice until tomorrow. Yeah, and I think that's it. And we probably won't put the drinks into the cooler. Like, we'll put some of them in the cooler, but not all of them in the cooler, because they'll be cold when we leave tomorrow. So yeah, we're not gonna put them in the night because they'll make the cooler really, really heavy, and I don't want to have to carry it out there. So I'm probably gonna put the cooler in the car and then put the ice and then put the drinks and stuff in there tomorrow morning. So yeah, so that's what we got for our trip for a haul. So we will see you guys tomorrow.